I've said that all day, I'll be honest.
Said what?
Long day.
We got 6 or 5.
Yeah, we got 5.
We got 5.
Yeah, we got 5.
5 alive, boys.
That was a
Man, fuck it. I'm live. I've been in worse positions in my life.
yeah. I've been outnumbered more times than this.
Come to play a game of football. It's beautiful. Keep it tight. Keep it slow.
He's revenge on Saturday. Getting them back on Saturday.
Keep it tight. Keep it slow. Hit the feet. Sam. Keep it as long as you can.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Yeah.
That old one.
Before peace, there's war. Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Today we play with Cobra, the top of the league, unbeaten. Can we ruin their party? Last week we got a W, so we're riding on high tides right now. Yeah, today there's only 5 of us, but we don't make excuses around here. Yeah, the game must go on. Before peace, there's war. Let's go to war. Alright people, welcome back man. You know what's going on man, I hope you're comfortable. Sit nice, it's 5 o'clock, it's Friday. CC at the Fives. Right, today we're playing Cobra, as I said already. It's gonna be an interesting affair. This one's bare bones. At like 4 o'clock we had maybe 6. Late drop off, or couldn't get confirmation. We're left with 5. Bare minimum. But I'm sure that's in the area. But here we are. We don't complain. Come out. We try and do a job. Let's get it cracking, man. Hey, early sparring, the boy H and Liam coming forward. Keeper was pretty good on the day. Saved bare shots. Let's not make excuses. So does Sam. 0-0. Early sparring. You know this is going to be a tricky one. Both teams have got good players. As I said earlier, Cobra top of the league, undefeated. We're trying to spoil their party. So far this season, we ain't had a great season, but we got a W last week. We're very happy with that. 3 points on the board. There's Liam showing his excitement. And then 0-0 early sparrings. It's been quite a back and forth affair. I think they're quite happy with that and with the way it's going. H one off the post. Could that be a sign of things to come? Let's find out. Anyway, H tries to find the boy Liam. Finds a way to pick his pocket. 1-2 skill. H wants the keeper to do some shadow boxing. It's unlucky though. Anyway, they drive forward. They get a shot off. It's easy for defenders. Sam rolls it out to H. H with a little flick around the corner to the boy Liam. Liam back to H. A wide one to me. I'm running down the wing like a prime Robert Perez. Pass that one back. It's no good, but it's across the line. H! Drag that one wide.
Good.
Oh yeah, this season we've added player cam too. Let me show you. Let me know below if you like the player cam innit, and who you want to see the player cam on. But there you go, you blink.
Mano.
They get one. 1-0.
Area!
That's the area again. Ref can't see from that far. So here we are. Area at 0-0 and area at 1-0 down. I'm sure they changed the game, but we deal with what's in front of us. The boy Liam with a little close-up shot. Keeper gets safe to it. 2-0 down. Probably about 5 minutes have passed. or just before 5 minutes because they ain't made a sub yet. But when they make a sub, it's someone you're gonna remember. Anyway, 2-0 down. Still sparring. Remember what bare bones, we're not trying to do too much. We get caught out.
I was at ICA winner. Played pre-season with them.
3-0. Blood fire.
I was playing wing.
That one rocket into me. I let it back. Get a bit lucky though. Anyway, Liam coming forward. 1. Tried to get the turn and shoot. No good.
Tried to win him kick. As I've jumped up, I planted with my left leg. And the first like snap.
Core.
Couldn't walk for nothing.
That's 4. You hear the people on the sideline talking about going to A&E. We're not trying to end up there tonight. 4-0. Let's hope this one don't get ugly. Bare bones. That's 5. 5-0. Even the scoreboard's having a hard time. This was just a mistake. I thought Liam was going round. Got caught out. And that's 6. Ref keeps calling out sub, lads. We ain't got no subs. It's bare bones. We're running. I think we're about 10-15 minutes into the game right now. 6-0 down. We can't wait for half time. Apart from the 6-0, we're having some joy with some shots. I've just been barging the ball as if I don't go gym. I chase him down. I try and get my own back. The ball's gone by then. 6-0, ball's being moved around. We're in half decent shape. Takes me on, he beats me, pause. Trying to keep the ball moving, they don't want to score an own goal. Drags one across. Get a little pass through the gap to the boy Els. Els to H. H gets his shots off. Keeper saves. He gets another one off. You think that's taking a little deflection? Keeper's gone the wrong way though. The boy Liam dancing. H with it, dancing. I feel like we're pressed back. They've got a good shape, to be honest. Let's be real with them. They've got a good shape. Gets a good shot off. Sam saves. We're coming forward. Vengeance of our own. The boy Liam, we've seen him do it before. Gets a shot, it's blocked. 6-1. Plenty of time. Come back on. Sit back and find out.
What's
They
that?
call for area and they get area. I don't get it. 7-1. Questionable call, but here we are. This is where we are. It's football. We're grown men. Accountability. We're losing. We need to do better. 7-1. The boys moving the ball around quite swiftly. They've got a good shape here. You can see it's quite hard to break down. H finds a swift little one through the middle. Another one. Look how the boys just play. So intricate. It's been scooped over. And it's 7-1. Tries to get a shot past me. I say no. Matt gets a shot of his own. It goes past them. 7-2. Surely this is us. You smell a bit of blood. H. It's just wide. Liam stands up Raul. Funny enough, they're teammates on a Saturday, but on Mondays, it's a bit of war. It's bittersweet. But we've got to get cracking. 7-2. At the moment, it looks like they're going to get bragging rights. This is one they've been waiting for. But the boy Liam coming forward, that's a shot off. You know he can be dangerous from the situations. There you go. The boy from Portugal. On the opposite side, it looks so unfamiliar. Outside of this game, he's a great friend of mine. But it's war. Like I said at the beginning, before peace, there's war. Somehow, they're coming out on top. 8-2. I'm gonna show you the player cam. Ref didn't call it, but we slowed down. We shouldn't have done that. Mind my heavy breathing. I'm working hard.
Need someone right here.
8-2. I'm in the corner. Find a good pass. H shafts it. Matt shafts it as well. Let me show you. Don't worry, H. We both know he done that on purpose. Another great pass into the middle there. Liam makes the keeper do a funny skank. Matt! Doesn't shoot, finds the pass, turns back, keeps possession. Drag wide from H. Liam trying to find his way back in there. And let me show you from this view. It looked like he was in.
Good, you unlucky. Man now. There. It's in.
8-2. It's another great save from the keeper. He's made a double save. I'm sure that's another in the area. And then look what happens. Half time, 9-2.
We could have got a couple, you know. We're behind, yeah, but we could have got a couple. We've
About 7 shots, he just saves everything.
we've
Just saving absolutely everything. Literally, all in the corner, no?
yeah. Yeah, there's a couple ones that are just firing.
I don't know. Close to buried that one, but again, it's a good save.
Near post is a weakness out on it. Well, we've not given everything first half. It's 5 for it. We can't use
We can't use all the energy in that, but this goes good, I think. Like, we've got shots off. It's not like we're getting absolutely smoked.
They didn't have shots for like 5 minutes.
Shooting from far though, they don't really get close.
Yeah.
They're shooting from far. Sam, just get on the edge of your box, mate.
Sometimes. Yeah, but I'm inviting that though. I'm inviting the
Yeah, but we can have
Yeah, true. No, but you know, it's because we're getting to them when they come here. They're just shooting from far, and they're not getting joy coming closer, innit? So they know that long shot. So
Yeah, I'd rather them do that though than pass it around.
oh yeah, 100%. I'd rather a long shot than pass it. So no, that's what I'm not saying. This is our best shot and that, but I'm saying hey, we're in it. We're in something, innit? We're getting shots off. There's some sort of joy going on.
Setting up the camera. So do you want to see out on Friday, 5 p.m. innit?
Subscribe.
Hey, make sure you subscribe, man. Tell them.
You heard the boy. Make sure you subscribe. 9-2. We go again. Half time's over. Good little time to rest the bones. So let's go again. 9-3.
There we go.
One person you ain't got his toe shoot.
Find your pass. There we go.
9-3 now. Come out of half time a bit more. You know, we need some firing. Hey, they've got a bit of movement of their own there, off the post. Little ball round the corner to the way Matt. He's getting joy right down those wings when he goes for a run. H in the 50-50 battle. Got a lot of time. Stands up his man, gives it to the boy else. You know him and H, great play together. It's just unlucky. Rail sticks his big toe on it. Tries to come forward. Just push him off balance. And look, they start from the back. Somehow they find the back of the net. 10-3. And there's a party at their place. Well, there's bystanders at this point. They're moving the ball around and finding ways to just pick our pocket. They're able to bring on fresh legs every 5 minutes. might be making a difference. 1,000 step overs from the boy Jermaine Pennant. Nothing comes from it. 10-3, the boy Lanky Liam goes for a jog. Gives it to me, I give it back. Bit of luck. Sal gets his big toe to it. Shot, saved by Sam. Now everything ends up in the back of his net. 10-3, boy Matt in the corner with the ball, tries to find the pass into Liam, is pickpocketed. He's coming forward, somehow he just found his way past H. Drifted to the side to get his shot off. Sam saves. 10-3, Sam's made a good save. H got the ball far in the corner. Finds one into the boy Els. Gives it to me, I'll give it back to him. Sold him short. It's looking like it's time for the fat lady to sing. 11-3. It's not looking good at the moment, man. We thought with the win last week that we're back to winning ways. At the moment, it's not looking likely. 11-3, the boy H and Liam still trying to get to work. I think Raul's just got into Liam's head a little bit. Looks like he might have the bragging rights. Maybe they start again, they keep the ball. H finding the pass into me. Touch is absolutely bonkers. But from defense, they go to attack. They find the back of the net. But he also finds the floor as well. Toll-free. We're chasing the game right now. So as much as we're looking for goals, we got to defend as well, so it just don't get ugly. Anyway, Matt with the ball. Loose one. Matt finishes. 12-4.
Yeah.
That's how it looks from my angle.
Man now. Good.
Good finish under the keeper. Right with the second mistake within seconds. Luckily, his keeper saved him there. 12-4. We're going forward. Off the post. But again, from defense to attack.
Oh, give it to him. Fucking hell.
Not much you can do there from defending. The ball just getting lucky. Landed in Thiago's path, and you know what he's like on the half volleys there. Anyway, again, they're coming forward. Seems like they're applying pressure right now. 13-4. Seems like they see the crack in the door. But they're trying to move it around and get these delicate goals. They're better off from these long range efforts. Let's be real. Somehow, they find their way through. 14-4. Seems like they've busted the door wide open. That player's beat two players. Should score there. Don't know how he didn't. 14-4, the boy Liam with a strike. Keeper gets down low. Little 1-2 round the corner. Seems like they're playing some good football right now.
What the hell?
Ball is being moved around right now. And yeah, man, they're on top right now. We're still getting a few chances here and there, like. It seems like we don't know all the rules. We may need them explaining again, but if I remember correctly, they shouldn't go in the box. But here we are. 14-4, Sam with a good save. Matt with another great shot. Keeper, another great save. do think a different day and we get more goals, and it's a different kind of game. But big up their keeper, man. Div 1, this is the levels. Anyway, Cobra Kai coming forward. This guy, we played him twice in the season. We know what he's about. He wants to do a bit of trickery. Wants to get past players. He's quite explosive. He gets another one. 15-5. Don't blink. Hold corner on your block. 16-4. It's Pepper outside. Hates losing the foot race. It's not very many times he does. We concede 3 in a matter of minutes. 17-4. But for the 5 of us that are here, I believe we've put in a shift. We've tried. We've done a bit of both. We've seen teams lose to this team with a full 7, 8 players. Smoke and not look as good as this. So let's be real. We worked ourselves into the ground there. Anyway, H. Perhaps a loose one. 17-5.
Hey, H, well done.
But again, from defence to attack. 18-5. That looks like a foul to me. Anyway, one thing you're taught as a kid, you play to the whistle. They have. 19-5. As this one comes to an end, and the old boy on the side is gonna blow his trumpet. It is what it is, man. We go again next week.
Okay, now. I well played. Well played. Well played, boys, man. Well played.
I'm serious, man.
Come on. Well played, kid. Well played.
Okay, mate.
AJ said it. We rolled the dice, and we didn't come out on top, innit? So
We rolled the dice at success and we come up short.
what can we say? We turned up, innit? Thank you for turning up, lads.
We'll go next week.
Get this picture and fuck off.
Can we scoot down a little bit?
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Lay hold of it. You lay hold of it. And when that thing tells you to quit, you look at it in his eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me. You will not defeat me. You will not destroy me. You don't quit now. It's the 10th round. You got 2 more to go. And when you get to success, it's not about skill. When you get to a certain level of success, it's about stamina. It's about stamina. It's about you won't break me. You can't take me. I fought too long. I fought too hard.